everybody, this is Amy from Wuxi Longterm Machinery. We are professional manufacturer of the CNG and seamless cylinders. Here you can see this is stamping machines and also some body coatings as marking or embossing machines for CNG cylinder neck part. You can see here, this is the clamp for clamp the cylinder bottom. And here part is this part is for put the model. In here, it's still not put the models, but when maybe you have different words need to mark on the cylinder bodies, or the model. Our models could change as your needs. And also, this machine is mainly for 219 to 406 millimeters ring. We also have different size and models for your choose. If you have any twist on these machines, please just call us, and we will give you more information. Thank you.